Ito, Raiders na ano, na Tasmanian. May mga signature pa. Yung poncho pala itong pumirma na ito. Siyempre, Jeff Hamilton. Yan gusto ko yun. British Bulldog.
Ready, unstoppable dynasty, young over. I'm a hustler, baby. I just want you.
Yan guys, Bone Thugs and Harmony. Na-pick natin sa Foot Locker to ng ano ng $10. Marami akong binili na ito kasi dinrop nila yung price. From 50 ginawa nilang $10. So kumuha ako nito ng 5 Yung iba niregalo ko. Pero ito na-sold siya for pinost ko ng 25, nag-offer ng 20. So in-accept ko na yung offer. Ang gandang details niya, meron siya mga yung rib cage, embroidered, Bone Thugs and Harmony, The Art of War. Ito yung album name nila yan Tapos sa likod the original Thugs. Tapos may plain dito. Tapos ano siya, original merch. Hindi siya vintage. So, pupunta siya kay Spencer sa Seattle. So yun na yung mga lot. Ito na yung tinake natin kaninang offer na for $70. Asking ko neto for $110. Pero nag-offer na siya ng $70. So para ma-move na natin, in-accept ko na yung offer. Ito si Lady Death ng Comic Marvels. Red Anvil na Red Bar Anvil 2001. Pupunta siya kay Michael Ramos sa Fort Worth, Texas. So ship na natin yan. So bili muna tayo ng kape bago tayo pumunta sa sa Dianza Flea Market. Dito ay 7-Eleven. Ayan, laki no? Hindi ka mabusog dyan. Sigurado dyan, gising na gising ka. Ayan. Natin. Saka mas mura-mura to sa Starbucks. Napkin. Mas mura-mura yan sa Starbucks. Ayan, laki oh. Para magising yung ano natin. Tapos taya na rin tayo ng loto. Kasi yung loto jackpot is 547 million.
Wow, ang bigat!
Diba? Ay mo, matamaan natin. Natin. $3.90. $3. Sa Starbucks $6 yung kape. Ito $3 lang. Ito yung loto. Thank you. Can I buy can I get a mega please? Mega Million.
For how long? 10 minutes, counting down.
Just 1 mega?
No, that's 6. That's 3 mega, right?
Mega for $5 each.
The what?
It's for $5 mega.
The Mega Million?
Yeah.
It's not $2 for
No.
each number?
No, it's not true. It's 5.
5 for each number?
Yeah.
I don't get it.
$5 each, Mega Million. Powerball $2 each.
So-
Online.
Okay, let me get Powerball, please.
3.
Yes. So for one line, that's $5 now? For Mega? It went up?
Maybe for 5
I didn't know.
For 5 months.
I barely play na. What about for the Super Lotto? $1 still?
$1.
Oh, okay. I didn't know. $5 for.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, man. Kaya pala ang taas na 547 million jackpot eh. So sa isang linya pala $5 na ang Mega. Hindi ko alam yun eh. Dati $2 sila eh. Ang Mega pala sa isang linya $5 na ang isa. Kaya power kaya pala ang taas. Nag-went up na raw 5 months ago. Yan, hindi natin alam. So pag may isang linya kaya $5. So kung gusto mo 5 linya, 25.
Kaya laging mataas.
Siguro eh kung $5 ba naman eh. Tsaka pero ano niyan. Konti na din ang ang magpe-play niyan.
Mga adik.
Good day. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Dianza Flea Market. Ito ang gala mode, thrifting mode. Forma check muna, naka pinstripe tayong Old English na Niners, Majestic, size large. Available yan syempre. Karating lang natin ngayon. Dito mostly curated na yung mga items nila. Kaya medyo pricey. Dito mas maraming damit dito eh. Yan. Dito may mga maraming vintage dito pero mga curated na rin. So, natin kung may makuha tayong mga deals. Medium. How much is jacket, sir?
I was asking 100.
$100.
Let's go down to 90.
$90.
It is Proline too.
Proline yeah, it's nice brand.
Try it on too. You want?
I know. But this one, much?
It is 35.
35. 35. Me. $35. $45. Glove daughter. $35, $45. Good price daw. Okay, what's up, boss?
I know, but these are...
May isang jersey rito.
I don't know it.
Ito, Raiders na na Tasmanian. May mga signature pa. Yung poncho pala itong pumirma na ito. Siyempre, Jeff Hamilton. How much your jacket, sir?
120, use 180.
180. This 120.
120, yeah.
Ayan. Ganyan. Tasmanian. What is this? Lonzo Ball. Ganda eh. Yan. No, perma no? Kaya lang, hindi tayo Raiders kasi. 120 JH na ano, Tasmanian. Si Kupaknik. Kupaknik. This yours? This your shirt? Your rat? Yeah? Yours too? Yeah. Oh man. How much your shirt?
10 each.
10 each?
Yeah.
10 each yun. Ito, ayos to. You do 7? One shirt? 7? 7 bucks?
No. 10 is fine.
7 fine?
Yeah.
Ayos. Ay, maganda na rin yan. $10. O pa tayo ba? May model pa rito. Balikan na lang natin yan. $10 daw. Umawad lang ako 7. Balik tayo rito. Ay, yung helmet.
I don't have to invest that much.
Pero professional to eh. Oo, Riddle. Yan, bigat to. Ito yung mga nasa Great Mall na eh.
Ah, yan.
Oo.
Bago.
Kaya lang ito, vintage to. Riddle.
Bago kaya yun. Mahal yan kasi dinidisplay kasi.
Ayan kayong Lakers. Si Isaiah pala to. Basta man.
Marami ka na?
Hindi.
Wala pa.
Dalawa lang. Kobe
Yeah?
Bryant tsaka ano.
Ba?
Mark McGuire. Kumusta rito? Ito sa'yo ito?
Hindi, dito kami.
Ah, isa yung kasama mo. Si P. Magkano na rito? Yung spot.
Because saka nag-share lang kami.
Nag-share lang
Ano mo
kayo?
si B?
Ayos man. Maganda
Dito
rito.
mo, check ka muna.
Oo. Ngayon.
Dala ko mga sombrero dito.
May mga hats ka rin yan. Ito rin na P. Buto nila P.
Sinong minut ba ako?
Dami-damer.
Pues los Tigres, yo creo, porque Monterrey, ¿no?
Digo que jugaban hoy.
Ah, los Tigres muy bien, sí, eso sí.
Sabot. Ito Jinko. Ay, sa kabila. Ito si Napi, tsaka si Isaiah. Nandun, nakita ko. Bukas mag-ano pa yung mga yan. Sa Alameda naman. Masisipag yung mga yan. Yung Packers na yan.
I said we're getting into it. Yeah, it's time to get, yeah.
Hey, you know what you should go? Try. I ain't going over there. Too far. Never mind. No, I'll give it for a look. No, but they do the January show. That's a busy show. No, I'm not too open. All double X.
Oh, double X? Okay.
All double X. If you want them all, you can have a $2 a piece.
Okay.
If you're a seller, you can have a $2 a piece. Take them all. Otherwise, they're $5.
So when I see you again, you want me to give you the backpack? You sure? Okay.
Much this jacket?
$125.
125.
All right, buddy. Hey, it was always nice seeing you.
Nice
okay?
seeing you, buddy.
All right.
Ito, 125.
Thank you for the bag. Yeah. But if you ever want to go to Turlock,
125.
spot.
You don't use it, right?
No. The first lummy.
125 yung jacket.
Parang benta mo lang yun.
Bentang payaw.
Benta, pero nabibili naman.
Oh, 100. Yung shark ko, nabenta yung 100 yan, di ba? Bakit? Ganun lang talaga.
Bentahan mo vintage na eh.
Para yumaman ka agad. Ito mga t-shirt. Eric Clapton. Kita ko na kagad yun.
Well, I had my house in Manteca. I like to stay around that area, Lathrop, because it's as close as
Nature. Meron siyang nature.
You know, Tracy, it's nice
Ano
when it
yan?
gets really
Yung mga ano, yung
Discovery Bay.
yung gumaganon-ganon.
Oh, that's pricey out there.
Yan.
I might look into the
Sino
valley
to?
again. Or
Nga tate yung mga technology.
The cheapest one is
Reebok.
but I think it's a one bedroom.
Ito human rights na. Human rights na. Fruity. Lapalong. Parede. Sino to? Art naman.
Hold out. Go for nice meal afterwards. What else do this?
Ang Eric Clapton.
What do they got on the food truck?
It's always free. It says spin the wheel, you get free candy. The first one's always free.
Ito pa another Eric Clapton. Mahilig ka sa Eric Clapton. Ito pa. Eric Clapton na. Lower dyan. Kaya. Ayan. Ito pa meron pa rito. May hat ako niyan si Eric Clapton. Kaya lang ano. Tayo pa rito.
Because they shut the thing down, I'm going to give you another look at this.
Eric Clapton lahat vintage, kaya lang mahina yung ano ni Eric Clapton eh. Yung market niya. Liquid blue na ano na modern na, pero ang ganda ng graphic niya.
Fine on can fit you.
Oh, this yours?
Yeah,
This is very nice. Nice for my daughter.
Oh,
Yeah. How much they go for?
different price.
Different prices? Yeah.
think the most expensive one is the snake.
The snake? Yeah, I seen it. It's very nice. Yeah, she likes the brand, the Mountain.
Oh.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, the Mountain. Hello.
Hindi naman mga vintage. Utopia. Rockers. May wrestling na rocker. Kuha tayo ng isang matindi. Pang resell na isang matindi. Ito mga chocolate. Yan, si Kobe, oh.
How you doing?
Ito si Kobe Bryant.
How you doing, man?
Hey, what's up, boss? How much?
That one, because it's faded,
Yeah,
but it's an original, 25, man.
25?
25.
Alright, ito sa 25. 25. How much your jacket go for?
They're all priced.
Oh, they're all priced. Price as smart. Okay.
That was 200. That's the
Yeah.
This one's the urban, right?
Yes, correct.
And I got a bunch of chalk lines on that
Oh,
jacket.
okay.
This one's starter here, and then this one's the old Oiler.
Oiler.
One. This one's LA.
Take the 200.
This one's LA Raider, and then
Yeah,
this
nice
one's
stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, they're all LA Raiders because at that time,
Yeah, they're in LA.
they were in LA when chalk line.
Chalk line, yeah. Yeah, yeah. And
But
this,
everything has a price, but everything's negotiable.
125.
Ready to bag it up and
yeah. Okay,
find it a new home.
Kuhain na natin si Brian. Titindi mga jacket nito. Tigo 125. Okay na yung price niya. Ito meron ako nito, hindi ko pa nailabas eh. Colt. Okay, isa-isayin natin. 95. Pro Player. Chalk line 125. 125. 150.
They're borderline. I mean, I love them. That's why I pulled them aside, but I'm not ready yet.
Ace. Angel. David Lee. LeBron James. Could I buy it for 20 bucks?
22.
22, huh?
Leave me a little dignity, huh? And that's an original Adidas. That's an original
Okay,
Adidas. Yeah.
I'll take it.
Yeah.
Yeah, bag,
I do.
please.
Yes. Free.
Bag is free.
Bags are free. Only because it's not recyclable, right?
Then,
Yeah. And then
may mga
it's
stain.
got the now these
Yeah,
are
yeah.
just I've had them in storage. A little shout out.
It's still Kobe.
Yeah.
That's okay.
That's right.
The Nike is the more expensive one. The Nike check. But that's okay.
Well, oh yeah, you're right. And then the Reebok too.
The Reebok.
The Reebok too.
Yeah.
Well, you know your jerseys.
Yeah. May mancha niya pero 20 to so okay na yun. Mahirap na nagganap ng ganito. Bababad ko na lang yan. Tapos na. The Bo Jackson. You got a change?
Oh, what did I give you?
Nothing yet.
No, what did you give me? I'm sorry.
25.
25.
You said 22, right?
Oh, that's right. I forgot you.
No, that's okay.
I thought
That's all right. Thank you, sir.
Sorry about
Okay, no, that's okay. Thank you. Nakalimutan pa yung change ko. Pero okay na to sa $22. Kobe. Ang daming mga pants yan si Kobe. Kapipili pa na nito mga $40. $40. Dito muna tayo. PlayStation 2. $80. Yan, madugo tong isang to.
Oh, no, we're good. It's like, oh, she wait.
To Sharks to. Sharks to na Apex. What's the size? What's the size on this, sir?
I think it's XL.
XL. How much is it? $80. XL. $80. Laki, XL. Size extra large. Ito, meron pang ano, finals na ano. Pero parang, ayan, dinikit lang. Ayan, tignan naman yung logo ng ano. Bullets. Ito ang ganda DuPont. $2,000. Rockaware.
Thank you.
How much your jacket?
My jacket is $250 for that one. That one's $200.
This is $250?
Yeah.
Mike, stupa ko. How much this?
I bet it's a good company.
It's 25.
That's weird.
$25 yung si Posta ng Tupac Shakur. Yung jacket na DuPont, ano? $200 daw. Sa eBay, mga $60 lang yan.
It's looking kind of embarrassed. I was like,
Stig yung aso niya. Kumain natin.
and I felt surprised that I got oh, you know this
Stig.
Oh, even a little too. Oh, Samuel. Oh, Samuel.
Yan gusto kayo.